and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can rotate the frame flames on CapCut PC. I'm just going to simply add like a picture or a video, so totally up to you. Go to effects and go to spark, and I'm going to add in the flame frame. And for instance, I want to rotate it the other way. It will suit it to the video and image you have. So if it's a portrait, it will give you that. But if you want to, for instance, make a landscape, just right click and then select create compound clip on the frame flame. I'm also going to just scale down this picture so you can see. Select the effect and just select the rotation bit right here to rotate it in the other, like on the other way. So that's how you can basically rotate the effect on CapCut PC. If you missed it, I'm just going to do this again one more time. Right click, create compound clip on the effect. Hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!